Thanks for joining me. A real quick one today. How do you check the oil on a Volvo V70? Let's go and have a go. There's a few things you've got to do. You've got to have the engine warm to start with. So you've got to get the engine nice and warm up to normal operating temperature. Then you've got to be on a level surface.
The cars must be stood for 5 minutes after switching it off. If none of these criteria is met, you'll get this warning.
We get the key, we stick it in the ignition. Press the button once, feet off of the pedals, don't put your feet on the pedals. Press and hold it for the second time until the ignition comes on like that. We've then got this button on the end here and this wheel, so we press the button to get rid of, we want to get rid of the messages, so we press the OK button, gets rid of the message, press it again, 3 presses. Rotate the wheel until we get to oil level. If it's blanked out, something's not right. The engine's not warm enough, or
You've not left it for the 5 minutes after switching it off to stabilise.
once we're on it, we press the OK on the end. It takes you through to the oil level and it tells you there what you need to see. We're OK on that one. If it's over full, it will say overfilled. If it's low, it will say low. Where we are is just below the maximum, so we're absolutely happy with that. Then you just start the car up, press reset and clear the menu. I hope that's been of use to you. It's a bit of a tricky one. If it has, drop me a little thumbs up, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.